Sugarcoat.
Numa.
Oh, right. Numa.
Numa? It's my spirit name.
Come with us, Numa. It's important.
So, is this the crystal ball you spoke of yesterday?
Yes, and we have received a new message from the devil.
Ghost, this new spirit of yours would make a great queen of mine. All of the wrong things she did as an earthling, she'd be perfect. I'd like to make a deal with you.
Numa, we will have to keep a very close eye on you. I will hire an angel to be your bodyguard, essentially.
But the devil can't cross into heaven, can he?
He's tried and succeeded before. I'm not sure if he'll try again. Wraith, come with me. Numa, you will wait here for a while. We will be back with your guardian.
Finally, you're alone.
What?
Well, isn't this just a perfect coincidence?
Whoa there, sugar. Don't talk to me like that. Wow, sorry. What happened? The devil, he wants me. This is serious. Why isn't Ghost with you? He had to go choose a guardian for me. He was going to come back. Well then, we have to go find him. Come on. Angora, where is Lola? That's a good question. You see... Angora! She is a young filly! How could you let this happen? I'm sorry. She was determined to go after... Go after what? Speak up, Angora. Brit! She's going to go find Brit. Oh, God. Do you remember which direction she was headed? West. Of course. She's going the wrong way, too. The stables are east, right? Correct. You realize what danger lies west as well, don't you? Oh no. The pack of wolves. She's been attacked by one before. We have to go after her. Oh no. Go away! What did Brit use to heal my wolf bite wound? Oh yeah, some moss. Maybe I should head back to the herd and get some help when trying to find Brit. Besides, Angora would go with me. I need some protection in case those wolves bring more friends with them. Well, seems I don't have to walk that far now. Oh, Lola, thank goodness you're alright. I see the wolves have gotten to you already. Well, you got away from them alright. And not a bad job patching yourself up either. I guess you're not such a weak little filly after all. Does this mean I can go find Britt? No, you traveled west instead of east, in the completely wrong direction, leading yourself to the wolves. Oh, well, perhaps one of you can come with me? Lola, I don't think... Angora, you go with her. Really? Yes. While you two are gone, I will try and steal mares from other herds. Now go, and I expect you to bring Britt back. Of course, sir. Navy, are you excited for your first horse show? Hey, Sage, you're about to go. 6 trips and it's your turn. Oh, thanks for telling me, Chelsea. I haven't checked in a while. Will you watch my turn? Of course, Sage. I hope you do well. Need help getting tucked up? Sure, thank you. So, what song will you be doing your routine to? That's a surprise. Of course. So you're jumping cross rails for your first show? Yep. And afterwards, we're gonna do some cross-country jumping, and you can come along with you, like. Of course I will, but Navy can't jump, so I'll just do flat work out there. Cool. Where's your bridle? Oh, sorry. Here it is. I'll go see how many trips there are until my turn. There are 3 trips. She's all ready? Yep, looks like it. I'll walk you guys out there. Alright, girl, it's time. Was the spook that bad? No way. It looked a bar of the routine. Good girl, Britt. Looks like we have a nice horse in the works. Oh yeah, we do. Navy, I don't know if I can do this. What, got butterflies in your stomach?
Ugh, shut up.
You're going to do great, I just know it.
Thanks.
Wow, Chelsea, Butterfly did awesome. Thanks. How'd Navy do? We got 4th out of 12. Wow, that's great. I bet she'll be an amazing dressage horse. I bet so too. Scamp! Scamp, come here! Whoa, why is that girl calling my name? You haven't heard? No. You're going to be broke today. What? Why didn't any of you guys tell me? We wanted it to be a surprise. Ugh. Don't worry, Scamp. They'll go easy on you. At first. What do you mean, at first? Go on, see for yourself. Trot towards her. Oh, fine. Here, Scamp, come here. Oh my goodness. Wow, you're such a good boy already.
Let's get this over with.
All right, come on, boy. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna feel around you a little bit so you can get used to me.
Ugh, I don't like this that much.
Good boy. Just get used to my weight.
Oh, I don't like that.
Whoa there, boy. You were doing so good. Whoa. It's okay.
Oh, that's a bit better.
Perfect. All right now, boy. Let's get back in your pasture.
You didn't tell me how heavy she was going to be. Heavy? She's the most lightweight rider here. Oh, I'm going to be abused. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. I mean, there's no way you'll be doing any of the farm work. I'm in charge of that. You'll be doing eventing. Oh well.